So what do you do if you want to deepen and strengthen your relationships? Is there something simple that you can just implement immediately to have better friends and to have stronger relationships? And in this video, I'm going to reveal the one thing that you can actually start doing. It takes almost no effort that will drastically improve your relationships. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I am a leadership and empowerment coach at Live for Yourself Consulting, where we work with people and organizations to help them create careers that they can love. If that's starting a new business, pivoting career-wise, or just creating a work environment that is more conducive to engagement, empowerment, and higher levels of job satisfaction. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified of new content. So as you get older and life gets busier, it can be harder to sustain relationships, and creating new relationships, that doesn't even sometimes seem feasible. So there really is only one thing that you need to do to strengthen and deepen old relationships and new relationships. And it's a really simple phrase. Tell me more. When you use the phrase, tell me more, what you're doing is asking the person you're with to explain something, to go further in conversation. And so instead of just kind of the superficial layer of conversation you may have, you go one step further. And if you ask, tell me more again, or can you expand on that? Can you keep going? What you're doing is you're getting deeper within that person. They're being more open and vulnerable and honest in a way that doesn't seem open and vulnerable and too honest for the level of the relationship. The phrase, tell me more, is a coaching tool. It's what you can use to help people feel more comfortable in a situation without seeming too overbearing by asking a barrage of questions. It's a way to create a stronger relationship without actually having to try to create a stronger relationship. What you're doing is you're showing curiosity. You're showing that you're engaged. You're showing that you're listening and that you care. And all of those things that you're showing from just a simple phrase can deepen and will deepen and strengthen your relationships. So I want you guys to tell me more in the comments. Let me know how this goes. Try it out in your relationships and see what happens. See what starts to occur by having deeper relationships with not even really having to ask directed questions, just asking someone to tell you more, because there will always be more. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified of new content. And most importantly, keep on living for yourself.